so pretty. Wow. That has a beautiful sound.
The date on this beam is 1710. Look at all the hand-carved stuff on it.
How old is this bell? It says 1356.
13 or 18?
Is it 18 or 13? Is this 18 or 13? 1356. Wow.
Feel how heavy it is.
Hey, do you want to ring it while I'm filming underneath? Go ahead and ring it, Paige. Paige, take that hammer and hit it. Wow. Go ahead, Paige. That's a beautiful sound.
Did you feel it? The story is that it was cast in a village in Spain in 1356. The name of the village was San Jose, St. Joseph. That's what's on the bell. And that village had been spared during the Inquisition, this war between the Moors and the Christians. So the people of the village wanted to do something to honor St. Joseph for saving their village. So they contributed gold and silver, and it's mainly copper. And the bell is cast there. And then it was used as a ballast to balance one of the sailing ships when the Spanish started coming to this part of the world. It ended up in Veracruz.
Is that Mexico?
It's on the eastern side of Mexico. And a woman from Santa Fe who was very affluent saw it there and had it brought here. And it was in her courtyard, as I said, where the Hilton now is. Then when she died, it came to San Miguel, and that's when they built this elaborate bell tower.
Okay.
And
That's the one that
in
burned.
In 1872, it collapsed.
Scary.
And that's the before and that's the after. And then there are before and after over there, and that's when the Christian brothers weren't going to rebuild, and the people said we've got to. So, and these are milagros. Now these were put here sometime in the late 20th century. Milagro is miracle in Spanish, and it's a custom in Mexico and Central America. If you have need of a miracle, whether it's heart, legs, whatever, you would find something to signify your need, and you would light a candle, say a prayer, and wait for your miracle. So these were put here quite some time ago, and these all are new. The young lady in the gift shop, and she's almost sold out, but she will, if you find one that signifies your miracle, you can buy one for $1, and she'll give you a nail